Next up is a pretty easy Zentangle called, it's called a Cuddles. It's, I think, on the fourth slide. So we're gonna do a little tiny version of this, but think about how this could look on a bigger piece of paper. All right, first off, we're gonna start right in the center of our Zentangle, or right in the center of our square with two little guide dots on top, two little guide dots on bottom. And we're simply going to make an easy peasy curvy line that goes top to bottom. There's no really wrong way to do this. And then over here on the side, from corner to corner, I'm going to make another little curve. And then same over here, corner to corner. Another easy peasy little curve. Then we're going to go back to our center guy here, and we're just going to make a series of smile lines that are all evenly spaced. Evenly spaced smile lines. So we don't want we don't want them to be too close or too far apart. Take your time and do a careful job. Okay, next up, we're gonna move to this little column here on the right. Instead of smile lines, you're gonna do rainbow lines, but we want the lines to connect. So this one's gonna start here, stop, jump over, keep going. This little guy here is a rainbow line, rainbow, and again, evenly spaced. We don't want any of them to touch. Okay, and then again over here, rainbow lines. So this one's going to start here, stop, jump over, keep going. Evenly spaced rainbow lines that are touching the smile line. Okay. Now to the last two columns. So we did rainbow, now we're back to smile lines all the way to the edge. Evenly spaced. That's a little guy in there just like that. Go smile lines back over here. These are starting to tip down. That's okay. We just don't want them to touch. I think I'm going to add one more little guy there. Now think about what these look like if you add a little color, or you shade in every other area with color. If you did this nice and big, imagine what this would look like with markers or colored pencils. And it would be every other one on this first column. Then on the next column, you're going to do the opposite. So if this one is colored in, this one is not, but this one is. Colored in, not. Colored in. So this kind of creates an optical illusion. So it looks like it's moving and grooving up the page, but it's not. We might even call this op art, optical illusion art. Over here, colored in, not colored in. Colored in, not. Not. Over here, colored in, not colored in. Just make sure you're creating this checkerboard pattern. This would be a great background for a self-portrait. This would be a great background for some sort of mythical creature like a unicorn or a dragon. Ooh, these could even be dragon scales. All right, here we go. Start in an easy spot where you can see colored in, not colored in. So I'm going to go one above it. So it creates an A-B pattern or an alternating pattern. You guys know all about alternating patterns. Okay, voila.